Hi, I am Bill Skripchek, president of Waverider Trading Technologies. The FX Morning Mayhem podcast is an essential listen for currency traders. Each episode covers a curated watch list of key currency pairs alongside insightful market observations. It highlights crucial daily news events that could influence the market, ensuring traders are well informed. Additionally, the podcast offers valuable trading strategy tips, catering to both new and experienced traders in the Forex market. This podcast is for educational purposes only. None of this info should be construed as investment advice. To see the trades called out live on our Slack channel, click the link in the description to join the trade faction. And now on with the show.
All right, so Aussie CAD, this is minor wave top. So we're waiting for a short setup, but that's happened multiple times. So I don't think it's going to happen again. I would wait for this to go really far down and then start to come back the other direction. Aussie, Singapore dollar, pretty much exactly the same story. US dollar, same story. Euro, Singapore dollar, what's going on here? Where did my, oh, there it is. Oh, cool. Okay, so this thing's about to set up long because we have a minor wave bottom. The trend is neutral right now, but it is almost about to launch an inception signal to the upside. So keep an eye on that one. New Zealand, Canadian dollar, minor wave top, fired off here. It could pull back and fire off another inception trade here. Again, I don't know, maybe. And then last but not least, our favorite trade of the week, I'm getting raped again, is the New Zealand US dollar. And right now I'm upside down about 30 pips, which is better than I was yesterday because I was upside down like over 50 pips. But this is still a hyperextension signal multiple times. So and it actually is just chopping sideways. Unfortunately, it's like a little sine wave sideways. So I am hoping for a big move to the upside. I don't know what's going to crack that loose. Let me look at the news. So today, there is no news. We got that ugly woman talking at 140, Christine Lagarde, and in Europe. She is the president now. And we have an employment number for Australia, but that's not till tonight. Let's see, is there anything tomorrow? New Zealand. There's a bunch of US stuff tomorrow. So we have retail sales and unemployment. That might shake this loose because half of this currency pair is USD. Nothing from New Zealand.
Oh, not for the rest of the week.
Yeah, for the rest of the week. Friday, is there anything on Friday? Nope. Friday, it looks pretty sleepy. So I guess we just hang out and see what happens. I'm willing to hang into this one as long as it takes to either come up even or at a profit. So that's the way it is. It's that patience thing we keep talking about, right? Patience. Let it all work out. Okay, so here's your question of the day, Dave.
Oh boy, here we go.
What the hell is the appeal of this trading thing? All it seems to cause is worry, misery, and anxiety. What's it all about? Alfie, if you're old enough to get that reference.
Everybody from movies and everything else like that, everybody has a get rich. You can get rich by playing the stock market. And as trading goes on, basically, yeah, you can make some money. We just have to have patience and it comes. It's not an overnight. You're not going to click a button and all of a sudden you're a millionaire. But that's basically the allure to it. And I think it comes as a twofold. And there was always, oh, the stock market. What do you play? Oh, I play the stock market. I'm in the Forex market. I'm in the futures market. And I think that's the allure that gets everybody in. On the side note, I think they're just a bunch of degenerate gamblers that live in a place that you can't get into a casino, because that's also a draw to it. Also, numbers are a lot better here than they are in the casinos. So I think that's what people are looking at. They look at this, they see all this money being traded, and they want to be a part of that. And that's the allure of it for me.
Yeah, and the other thing that I think people misunderstand, or the man purposefully confuses them with, is they see these people that work on Wall Street and they make a bunch of money and they think that they can do it too. Those people on Wall Street, except for a very few, aren't actually trading. What they're doing, one of two things. They're either selling you the platform on which to trade and making a commission on the frequency of your trades. That's one flavor. Or the other flavor is they are being paid to manage a portfolio of your stuff, and there's no downside for them. They get paid a fee whether you make money or not. So
Pretty much.
I think people misunderstand that. They think, oh, I'm going to get in that business and make money like those guys. And they do make huge money. But it's what they're doing is those fees are based on a percentage based on the size of the portfolio that they're managing. So what they're really selling is for you to give them your money for them to manage so that they can make a huge commission, and you may or may not make money doing that with them.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of them quote their previous record, and that's no indication of their going forward or future performance. And they got disclaimers up the yazoo too. I don't know if you ever read the fine print on any of that shit, but yeah, they
If I
got
need to go to
themselves
sleep.
covered 6 ways to Sundays on that. Buyer beware is my story for today. So
Yeah.
here are the lessons that we learned from Dave. Everybody thinks this is a get rich quick scheme. This is not. This is a get reasonably comfortable over a long period of time scheme, like any other business. And if you have an addictive personality, you should run away from this. Bad idea for you to get into this because it feels like a video game or a casino when you do this.
Absolutely.
So
As a degenerate gambler, yes.
okay. See, we have an expert witness here today. All right, man. That's all I got for the day. Have a good one.